Welcome. In this video I will show you how to update drivers on your ACER Chromebook 315. So I want to start with saying that Chrome OS doesn't have anything like drivers as a separate thing. Instead, all the firmware gets installed on your device in one package. Therefore, you just have to go to Settings, navigate all the way down the sidebar to About Chrome OS, and then select Firmware Updates and check if your device has any updates to install. Of course, you're gonna have to check for internet connection before doing so, because you're gonna require it for updating your drivers, but that's generally it. So, thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.